Hello guys, today we are at Monard level crossing and I don't know what time the train is going to come, but there's sodium lights, they're a bit different, and there's SPX barriers. The road is kind of going straight up, and the track is kind of slanted, so the barriers would have like diagonal lights. And the crossing number here is XL065, and this is in County Tipperary, Monard, and I think that's a Y04 alarm. And that's really it about Monard level crossing. Okay, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and like and leave a comment how you like this video. Goodbye.